As you read in the title, what's in my car, tag or challenge, whatever it is. First, I'm gonna say who I'm tagging in this video so they can also do it on their channel. So I'm gonna tag NorTM, Lullaby, Cameron Alford, and Brian F32. You guys are tagged, you can do it if you want. If you don't, then it's whatever. And who knows, maybe we can bring it back. They can tag other people and this could be a whole new thing again. Because I'm gonna be super hyped they do, because I love these type of videos. I don't know why.
Alright, what's up you guys? My name is Brian. Welcome back to the channel. This is the BMW 435 and today we're going to do a quick video called What's in My Car Challenge, sponsored by Danny Z.
Hi.
Now there's not going to be much. I'm dirty but kind of clean in a way, if it makes sense. But alright, so where should we start?
Maybe like the middle, the coupler thingy, everything.
My coupler?
Yeah.
These are my keys, clearly. This is my wallet, don't worry about it. This is my phone. Just basic stuff. This is a water bottle. Always gotta be hydrated, boys, okay? This is quarters.
Put that in there.
Yeah. Okay, so glove compartment. We've got just paperwork. This is like my
Suncoast, sponsored by Suncoast.
Suncoast sponsor me. This is the cup holder, in case I don't.
Oh, you can take it off? Oh, it's like a little...
Yeah.
Oh, I see what it is. Oh, that's cool.
We don't use that though. Obviously, we need the cup holders. Nothing there much. In here, just my charger. That's pretty much it. Pretty basic. And let's see what else. We've got my, what do you call this? My sun visor?
Sun visor?
Sun visor?
Yeah, so it doesn't get hot.
Yeah.
Especially in Florida, because as you guys know, you're coming from my channel, 200-degree weather.
Yes, if it's being nice. Sometimes it's even hot. So yeah, I have to put that in the trunk. Some random bag. Danny, please, recycle.
Recycle. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
And then we've got on each side a little.
Oh, microfiber?
Yeah, microfiber towel. And
another
a water
bottle
for everybody. Obviously, I
passenger gets one and you get one. What a nice guy.
This is like, you know, like Rolls Royce type stuff. You got like an umbrella? No, not on this one.
Sorry. Okay.
All right. So over here we got this little cubby, and here I've got my.
V-Peak.
Yeah, this is like an OBD port, and it's to mod, kind of like do some smart coding and mod.
Oh, like you can change like the little display to say certain things
like,
and all that.
Stuff like that.
Yeah, like
if you guys want me to do an in-depth video on this, just let me know.
That would be pretty interesting.
And yes, the thing. Don't judge, Danny. Why do I have this? Yes, that's a good question, Danny. So this is for all the people that always ask me, can I drive your car? Can I drive your car? And they don't drive manual. So I go, you want to drive my car? Teach me. And then I teach them, yeah.
Are you serious?
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay? So that's how I teach them. I'd be like, okay, every day you get in here until you're prepared. Then you can hop on the real thing. Alright, don't judge me. Yes, I have that, Danny. That's mainly for my girlfriend, okay? I'm gonna teach her. We're gonna have that video very soon. When it comes to the back, yeah, just put just a sun visor. I don't remember what this is from, but oh well. It's just trash.
It's clean.
When it comes to the trunk.
Wait, say that again.
Oh, he did the trunk. So I figured. Voila, just the visor and a beach ball. And then under this, just my cleaning supplies, okay?
That's a lot.
Is it? You think so?
I have nothing cleaning wise in my car.
So what if you're like just stranded?
Triple A.
Okay, yeah, you're right. So I know it was inside, kind of inside my car, but Let's also do the hood.
Wait, doesn't it go up if you put your foot on the...
Bro, what do you think we are in 2020? My trunk does that.
I don't know.
Just lift.
I don't know how to do it.
I've shown you. Just lift.
This is the intake you did, right? You made a video on this, right?
Yes, I did. You can go watch that. Showed you guys kind of how to install in a fast forward way. We're not too complex about it. Yeah, I think that's all for now.
There's a lot of leaves.
I thought you weren't gonna judge me. Alright guys, I know it was kind of a short video, but I mean, it was kind of a cool. What did you expect? And I'm kind of organized too, unlike some people. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and whatever you guys want. But see ya.